Assalamualaikum. Welcome to YouTube Bosku channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you our native product named 82 Dirt Buster and what this product can be actually used to. So here is the product. The name of the product is 82 Dirt Buster, and let me explain to you something about this product. This is very different to other product which is use a very high dangerous chemical, which is no chemical inside the ingredients, so it will harm any of your skin. Alright, so let's get started. So at the cap we have off, spray and stream, which means the flow of the water is going to very tiny. That means you can reach at the spot that where you cannot reach with your hands. For example, if we use stream, we use spray first because we just open this bottle, so we need to just spray all over around your stream. And then for the area that cannot be reached by hand, you can use this stream mode. Just leave it around 10 to 50 seconds and then just simply gently rub the rim just like this.